AML stands for Anti Money Laundering, and the purpose of anti money laundering is to prevent and uncover money laundering and other terrorist financing. In the EU, it is the European Parliament that legislates so-called anti-money laundering directives, and these are implemented by the member states. So if you are working with money in some shape or form, you very likely need to comply with AML legislation. And this is true for most fintechs, whether you work within crypto exchanges or crowd lending platforms, and so on. And even accountants and real estate agents have to comply with AML. Companies need to make sure that they have routines and measures in place to determine risk from money laundering and terrorist financing. Companies need to ensure that they have routines in place to determine risk for money laundering and terrorist financing. And a key part of this is making sure that you have securely identified who your customers are and gather the necessary information about them. This, you may have heard of, is known as Know Your Customer, and is a key part of a customer due diligence process when onboarding new customers to your business. Anti-money laundering directives require businesses to verify the customer's identity and obtain information such as name, national identity number, address, politically exposed person, and sanction status when the customer relationship is initiated. We also know now that APIs happen to be perfectly structured tools to collect data efficiently, and Signicat registry lookup APIs offer functionality to obtain relevant information so one can effectively comply with the requirements of anti-money laundering laws.